hand here because that's like the. Shoot, I'm scared. Okay, better not drop it. Hey guys, it's so close. Wait, can you zoom out? We're at IKEA and we're gonna order food. Look at Jasmine and Jaedyn. Oh my god. You have to hold it like so far. Oh, I saw the lady behind me. Okay. Is it recording? Okay, so this is what we're having. I'm having the chicken tendies. So close. Okay, so we got our food. I got the salmon, and then Jasmine and Jaedyn both got chicken tenders. Hey guys, we're eating at IKEA. We're almost done. Halfway. Probably. I hope so. Finished with my food. I think I rate this like a 7 out of 10. Okay, Jasmine, what do you rate your meal? 6.5. 6.5. It's not done at all. Okay, Jaedyn, like she's finished with her thing. I mean, her thing. 8.5. 8.5. Oh, okay. Yeah. It's like kind of. Mine was really good. I had salmon, and they had that. Guys, I'm gonna get this. Oh, this is Alex. I'm gonna get this plant and this vase for it, and I'm getting a shelf for my room. It's a calyx. Look at that. Okay, Jasmine, what did you buy? Plates for her dorm. It's so pretty. They're like stone, I think, or like ceramic. Yeah. And then Jaedyn, what'd you buy? My alien. Her alien, so cute. And my plant. I already showed them, but I got my plant and this pot, and then this storage. I'll probably
we'll let you know if it's in the car.
Yeah.
We'll let you know.
Oh yeah, I'm laminating it. We will see if it's going to fit.
I think it will. I think it will. Oh wait, let me grab it.
Oh. Use your voice. Use your mic. Oh. Are you okay? Ah. Yay!
Okay, break my trunk.
That's good. Yay! Wait, someone blocked this. I am. That's Alex. And that's Jaedyn. That's Jazz. We didn't film anything, but we're on our way home. Me though. Yes, it doesn't have your face. Do it. Okay. That's the end of our day. We're home. Thank you. Bye.